So today I'm going to show you guys how you can motion track using Blender, then export it, and then go into After Effects. The model and the video I'm showing are going to be provided below if you want to download it and follow along with me. I just imported this model, and what we have to do is, it's already textured, so we don't have to worry about texture or modeling, but you can go ahead and go in Sketchpad and grab a model. But what I'd like to do is to select everything. And we want to just make sure to zero out. So we want to have it be centered in the scene. So whatever object you have, I did it before already, but you just go to apply, go to all transform, and it will apply the location and rotation of the scale. And what we want to do is go to object, set origin to geometry. And now it will be centered, and it will be, it won't look weird, like it won't be off centered in After Effects. To export it, all we have to do is go to File, Export. I like to do GLB, GLTF because it keeps the textures of the model, as well as the OBJ and FBX. You can try to use those, but sometimes After Effects might be kind of iffy. Export, GLB, GLTF, and go to make sure selected objects is here. And that's pretty much all you have to do. And this has no animation, so animation can be kind of iffy, but as long as the object's in the scene, you can just go ahead and name it that. And I already had one previous before, but we can name it Ship2 GLB. Now we're in After Effects. First we want to do is go to imports. We're going to get the video, so we can go to file or get whatever video you have, but we can use the one I provided. There's a video, and I chose this little kind of space or a city port area, and I'm just going to bring it down like that. And it's in 4K, so it might be a little slow, but you can use any other video you have. And what we want to do is right click here, go to track and stabilize, track camera, and so just give it a bit because it's 4K. But right now it's just going to analyze. It could take about like 5 minutes. And now once you have your thing tracked, and if it's not working, sometimes it helps click on detailed analysis if it doesn't work that way. But other than that, you can now see here, if I move my mouse, there's some points here. That's where your plane will be, and your object, like the shadow, will be shown. So you just click right here. It's gonna be a flying ship, so I could just see if it's angled like that. So right there is fine. Create solid in camera. And so that's where the shadow will be for the ship. It will be flying ship in the air, so the shadow doesn't matter as much. But if you have like a grounded thing, you want to make sure your object is right here. And what we can do is go to File. We're going to import the model. Import file Ship3. Go right there. Let's bring it down. Make comp size. So that looks now. Great. I guess we just make sure you select everything that's in Blender, or the whole model, so we don't lose anything. But right here, if you go to orientation, you can adjust the angle of it and how it looks. So I wanted it to be a little bit bigger, and let's adjust it. It's on the XYZ axis. Let's see, that's looking good. And then go to none, go to track one solid. So now it'll kind of like match the solid here, but you know, for me, I just kind of just adjust it and bring it up like that. Sometimes it might help, sometimes it won't. But since this is a Star Destroyer from Star Wars, it has to be pretty big. Here's the orientation. I think that's fine. And then let's click none, so it won't be connected to the track solid. So we hide that. It won't hide with the scene. And well, one thing why I'm separating is so we can extend it all the way. Oh no, not that. We can extend the shadows here. Since this is in the air, it's a little bit tricky to get some shadows at all. But what you can do here is you can go to Layer, New, go to Light. This will create the light for the scene, so cast shadow. And so you see that now we have a shadow here. And so this light, we can kind of manipulate it to have what we want. So if we do this, see like that, now it's affecting the lighting of the scene. So we can hide that. And let's see here, we can try to imitate, it's like a golden kind of like afternoon. It's not, you know, obviously perfect, but now that we played the video, now it looks like the ship is in the scene. But now we just have to kind of adjust it. We can bring this up a little bit, but now we have the golden hour. We have some lighting set, and you can go back in Blender. You can kind of adjust the textures to look more realistic. You just have to add some scratches and stuff, some smudges, just to match the scene, and you can bring it up and down. But that's pretty much how you get the motion tracking from Blender into After Effects. Just make sure you select everything, do the lighting, do all these tracking, and then you can also add just other 3D objects in your scene. Also, if you guys are interested, I also have this cool wool add-on if you guys want to try out to use in Blender. It's really awesome if you want to go beyond motion tracking. And this is pretty much how you do motion tracking. And then I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a good one.